Hi, I'm back again. I'm Alan, by the way, and you saw what I did. If you watched my video before this one here, you saw what happened with that thing I bought from Amazon. And instead of trying to send it back or trying to buy more parts to fix it, I modified it. Actually, my girlfriend Shelly and I modified it, and this is what we did. Okay, instead of sending this thing back to Amazon, I figure, or buying new parts, I figure we'll just drill a hole in the side of it, and that way I could put a crossbar across it. This is how we're going to do it. Careful.
I don't like that.
Yeah, I know. Well, but use a pair of vice grips to hold it.
Gonna do something different.
Gotta be careful when you do this now. If you try it. That works. We're using the vice we got up here.
Yeah, let's try and do that a little different.
And see, this way, I have it like this. Little modification I had to do. We had to do, rather. Anyway, I'm going to start with this first barrel here since they're always attacking this barrel for some reason. They like this barrel, the creatures. So I don't have no stakes in it yet. I got these rods here. What I'm going to do here, try to figure out how high I want these. Let's see. This is less than 4 feet. So let's make it about 4 feet. Might be over 4 feet. Unless I keep them trimmed down. Let's see what we got here. Come on, come on. Okay. That's 4 feet right there. That'll work. So, 1, 2, 3. Need 3 of these. 2 of these. Now, I need the barrels. They are kind of flimsy, though. Gonna have to figure that out. Probably better straightening the ground, but and like I said, like I showed you earlier, we put holes in the side here. Let's see some here. Yes, that's all the way in. Oh, I think we made this hole a little bit too large. Looks like. Seems like. Oh, yeah, I have a tough time here. Hmm. Gotta figure this out here. This is not working. They're not working the way I want them to. So what I'm thinking, this is my first time doing anything like this. There'll be trial and error. If I put it in the ground here, it'd be, oh, measure up here. It'll be 3 feet 8 inches. Okay, be right back. I could have went ahead and got some PVC pipes or poly pipes and just pull it over, but wasn't thinking. I may change it later, but for what I'm going to do right now, what I'm thinking is Poke these in the ground. Somewhere. That's a rock there. I'm gonna put them on the outside of the barrels where the ground's nice and hard. The only thing I can figure out. See, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. They'll be a little more sturdier this way. Not the way I was planning on doing it. Let's see how much raise does it give me here. Okay, we got 3 feet and 5 inches there. I can always add more if I have to later. Did I lose one of these? I think I did. Oh, here it is. Yeah. But how I'm going to keep them together, though. I think I know. Gonna use some twine. See, they're doubling it. Do like this. This is nylon, and instead of cutting it, we burn it. That way it won't unravel at the end. It won't unravel. I'm just gonna tie it in a knot, heck with it. Ain't gonna be fancy. Ain't nothing fancy about this garden. I'm just trying to protect it from critters and bugs. Not just critter, but bugs too also. Now I'll put this in here. Let me put it on this side first then. So I can hold it. Go. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, still doing it. Let me wrap it around this way here. The more I do it, the easier it'll get. I'll be knowing a little more what I'm doing, just a little bit more. Let's try this. Oh. Don't have enough. I have this tight enough now. Well, let me see if I can undo this. Oops. Just flew. Let me get another one here. As they say, don't do as I do. I'm just a beginner. Never done this before. Seen other people doing it other ways. I wonder if I should lower that down more so it don't bend at the top. Put about midways. Oh, now what happened? Here it is here. It didn't break. I don't know what happened. Sound of a biscuit. Let me pick my stuff up. This is not working too well. I'm gonna do it another way. The netting will probably be fine. Think I'm gonna buy me some pipes and do it that way. But I had to still need a place to anchor them down. A failure is what it is. I still won't give up though. I'm gonna do it another way. I'm gonna shut this video down for today. Thanks for watching. Come back and see what happens next. It's all I can say. Later.